In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQ, that is the formation partial psi over partial x, I unit vector plus partial psi over partial x, j unit vector plus partial psi over partial x, k unit vector is called the solution. If psi is a scalar point function, then the vector defined by partial psi over partial x, I unit vector plus partial psi over partial x, j unit vector plus partial psi over partial x, k unit vector is called a gradient of the scalar function and is denoted by grad phi or grad phi. We know that phi is a scalar point function, whereas gradient phi is a vector point function. So option A is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.